Hi. That's Lona. She's... Oh. Dude, that scared her. That scared her. That was really funny. There she is, the sexy beast. Let's see, where did Julia and Mitchell go? Hi! He's a crappy boyfriend. He's not paying me any attention at all.
Oh, yeah.
I'm feeling really neglected right now. Oh no. Yeah, what is that? Is that from your thing that you got?
No. He went to the bathroom and looked at the machine and looked at the...
Oh, Julian has the bag now. Oh. Interesting.
This is funny.
Did you see his face? His face is all just like...
How much time did you go around?
About 7. She can tell me to shut it off when she wants.
Whenever you're ready.
No, she wants to live in there most likely.
Let me know, it takes a while. Tell me when.
She just wants to live in there.
Yeah, she wants to be a kid again.
Yeah.
I like seeing young kids, you know, like your age, act like a young child again.
I used to go on this all the time, like every single time I went to the mall, I would go on this. It'd be my priority.
Good girl. You got her on video?
Yep. Straight to YouTube.
This is funny.
Yes. Look at her. We'd be having so much fun if I went with her.
Yeah, this is like tits.
Last time we like screamed, "You wish you were us!" Like we screamed it really loudly at all the
people passing by. Like
all the people passing you, just scream at them, "You wish you were us right now!" Look at all the little stuffed animals. That's so cute.
For family or 4?
She already has hers.
So who wants to give up $5?
Who wants to give up?
But I love you.
He's poor.
What?
The lady just wanna whip that cord, honey.
Go Lona. Go Lona.
Why don't you say it?
Work that cord, Lona. She's probably gonna be so embarrassed. Like in 30 years, she's gonna look back at this. She's gonna be like, "What the hell did I get myself into?" She said, "Thanks for watching." I don't think you could hear her. Where did Julian go?
Come here, Julian.
Julian, come here. Come here. All right, thanks for watching.